Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix if the file or directory is corrupted and unrecoverable error 0x80070570. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up File Explorer, go to this PC. You just need to right click on your pen drive and select Properties. Select the Tools tab and select the check option under Error Checking. Select the Scan Drive option. You just need to wait for this to done. After getting done, just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command. Now you just need to change this C letter to your USB drive letter. For example, I just going to do it for my E drive. You just need to type your USB drive letter guys. Change this C to your USB drive letter like this. After that, just copy the command after that and paste it. And now type Y in keyboard and press enter. Type Y in keyboard and press enter. Caps letter Y and press enter. The volume will be checked next time system restarts. You just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, method 3, you just need to open up File Explorer, go to this PC. Before doing this step, you just need to take a backup of your USB drive guys. After that, just right click on it and select format option. And now under File System, you just need to click on this drop down and select NTFS. And now select the Start option and format your USB drive. After the formatting your USB drive, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.